Welcome. If you want to change your always on display clock, as you can see in my case, in the ASUS ROG Phone 3 I got this one, you have to go for the first on the settings. Next we have to move to the display, then scroll down until we find the always on panel, then go for the clock style, and as you can see here we can easily change it. And right here we got the preview how it is going to look, and I think that I'm going to stay with this one. It looks really cool, so click apply. And right now when we lock our device, we will get new customized always on panel, but this one is very not so bright. Let's set a different one. Maybe we can go for this one. So click apply and then just lock your screen, and this one looks much better. So that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel. See ya.